Mr. Kashif, I have one question. How supply chain is more important in hospitality industry?
Uh, for me, if you see the structure of the hospitality industry, so hospitality industry, like it is basically sometimes based on the brands, okay, and the procurement uh, process itself has to take care into consideration more factor the level of the brand, the requirement of the brand. So sometimes the requirement has to be met from a specific sort of source. So he has to see the source from where it has to be procured. For example, if you have Marriott, so Marriott have their own standards. So the procurement manager has to make sure that he has total knowledge of that product, and he knows from where it has to be sourced, purchased, what are the logistics requirement, the lead time and everything, so that like the customers have the continuity of the same brand information also, because they are very particular about their brand, and the customers who come to that hotel also will expect the same thing which they have seen elsewhere in the world also. So the supply chain is very much important because he has to source in the right way, right quantity with the right branding, in the right cost also, because the customer will never like to pay more for any of the products. So that's why it's very important for the procurement. If we come into the HR sector also, in the HR of the hospitality industry, so they have to make sure they have housekeeping staff, they have staff who are on the customer service line, they have staff who are taking care of the facilities management, there are staff who are taking care of the security of the customers and everything. So they also have to be professional. The HR has to make sure that it requires the catering people are there. So this is maybe a humongous number or maybe a small number, but these people have to be taken on board. Either you outsource this or whatever may be the case. So they have, Marriott has, or the other brands have certain dimensions, and we have to make sure that we are following the brand and the brand value is taken care. The customers are feeling safe with that kind of the housekeeping staff and everything, and the housekeeping staff has been properly taken into account, their background checks and everything, because they will be accessing the rooms for cleaning and everything, and they will be customer property. So all these things the HR manager has to take into account while sourcing those people, bringing them on board, and if they are not par at the brand requirement, so we have to train them also. So the training also, the department has to do a lot of work to fine tweak the people before they get into the interface with the customer. And if you see the finance side also, in the finance side also he has to source the things. They have to keep the AC on for 24 hours, so if the utility bills are there, the facilities has to be extra cautious, and there should be operation and maintenance department also will have to do the supplies. So if you see finance and supply chain, even though you may feel that they don't have anything to do with supply chain and everything, but they are adding value to the supply chain also. So if the finance manager or the maintenance manager or the operation manager knows the supply chain concept, so it will be helpful for him to source the required services, deliver the required services, and make sure the logistics are in place to help the whole organization to grow.